a base of reddish terracotta bricks, and an upper volume that seems to float above the landscape. This duality between weight and lightness defines the house we explore today. Set on the edge of a golf course in Marrakech, on a plot of 1,400 square meters, Villa VOL005 stands within an ochre landscape marked by intense light and vegetation typical of the Moroccan climate. The layout takes into account neighboring properties on 3 sides and opens to the west toward a protected green area, creating a balanced relationship between openness and retreat. Its architecture is divided into 2 well-defined strata. On the ground floor, a solid base of terracotta brick anchored to the ground. Above, a lighter and suspended structure with both curved and straight lines that expand toward the landscape. This composition gives the building a presence that is at once grounded and ethereal. On the street-facing facade, the construction appears discreet and protected. Access occurs through a narrow slit between curved walls, a threshold that marks the transition from the urban exterior to the silent interior. Western light, filtered through terracotta slats on the facade, creates subtle shadows and transforms the interior throughout the day. Outside, lush vegetation softens the geometry of the structure and enhances the feeling of calm. On the ground floor, the living, dining, and fireplace areas unfold in sequence, visually connected through wide openings and floor-to-ceiling glass. The materials work together: terracotta brick, local Taza stone, zellige tiles, and tadelakt plaster, all revealing a commitment to regional materiality. The color palette, shades of terracotta, white, and gray stone, gives the house a sense of raw, unpretentious nobility. The house does not impose itself on the site, it grows from it. Wide openings connect the living area to the garden. The suspended upper volume seems to float above the greenery. Native vegetation surrounds the building without visible walls, preserving continuity between the built and the natural. Circulation is organized around a central core with a sculptural staircase. Each step seems to emerge from the mass, while the handrail floats lightly. This staircase is not just a connecting element, but part of the spatial narrative. To dwell means to see, to listen, to feel the place. Villa VOL005 shows that architecture can be powerful without ostentation. The duality between solidity and lightness, tradition and modernity, interior and exterior, creates a place where living is an act of contemplation, a continuous dialogue between light, matter, and landscape. A house that emerges rather than dominates, that reveals itself and invites you to stay.